Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Rare Guidance online tutorial classes. And as you all know, today we are going to once again look into the JEE 2016 paper in the series of JEE 2016 solution to all the sets. So we'll solve some more questions today, and let's have a look on the question at hand right now. So we have a question that a man is walking towards a vertical pillar in a straight path at a uniform speed. At a certain point A on the path, he observes that the angle of elevation of the top of the pillar is 30 degrees. After walking for 10 minutes from A in the same direction, at a point B, he observes that the angle of elevation of the top of the pillar is 60 degrees. Then the time taken in minutes by him from B to reach pillar is what? We've got four options: 6, 10, 20, and 5, all in minutes, and we'll have to figure out. So let's look into it. What exactly do we have? Let's try to solve the way we always do. We'll first visualize the question. So we have a pillar in the question and a man. So we have a man who is walking towards the pillar at a uniform speed, and at a certain point, which is A, he is observing towards the top of the pillar, and he finds that the angle of the elevation is 30 degrees. He further walks away, towards B for 10 more minutes, and once again, he observes the top of the elevation of the pillar, and he finds that the angle here is 60 degrees. So let's try to solve it. We have a lot of things. It's a simple question. I believe most of you have got it right. Let me just create some space to put all our findings. And let me just name the pillar as well as P and Q. And we have distances already given. So let's mark A and B distance as X, and from B to Q as Y, and then we'll mark from P to Q as Z or Z for some of you. So here are the given equations or given things that we have. A and B is equal to X, and B and Q is equal to Y, and P and Q is equal to Z. So we have a question that is for the tangent, which is at 30 degrees. So following the Pandit Badri Prasad hyperbole, we have a tangent 30 degrees at hand, and by looking into the formula, we find that it will be z over x plus y or z over x plus y. Further solving it, we get that z is equal to x plus y divided by under root 3. Then we have another tangent, which is that of 60 degrees. So we'll look into tangent 60 degrees, and it is again z over y this time only, because we have distance from B to Q only in hand. And we further solve it, and we'll get z is equal to under root 3y. So by looking into the findings of tangent 30 degrees and tangent 60 degrees, we can safely say that x plus y divided by square root under root 3 is equal to under root 3y, which we further solved. So under root gets out here because it gets square, as you all know. So x plus y will become 3y. And if we try to solve it further, x will become 3y minus y, which is then x is equal to 2y. So now if we further rotate the LHS RHS, and we get that y is equal to half of x, or x over 2. So this makes our question pretty clear. We have already been given that it takes 10 minutes for the person to walk from A to B. So if X is 10 and if we divide it by 2, we'll get the answer that Y, or the time from B to Q, would be 5 minutes. So looking at our question, at the answer given, we can safely say that option 4, which is 5 minutes, is the correct answer for this question. So with this, we have come to an end. We have solved this question. And I thank you for being here and watching. Do comment if you like the video and subscribe our channel. Do like our page as well. You can visit our website rareguidance.com for all the details and if you want to enroll in the online tutorial program. I thank you all once again.